Coach, when you're backing up like that, are you moonwalking per se, or
definitely not?
What does the footwork look like when you're backing up?
I want to keep my composure, and I want to use little steps. I don't want to use too much big steps, yeah? My footwork here, I'm going to use 1, 2, yeah? 1, 2. I need to be precise. If I take them too big, I might be too far. I just want to measure exactly. This is a timing as well. With time, you're going to see that your range, you master it. 1, 2, that was enough. Yeah, and if you just aggress, hoop, hoop, I go small. Because whenever I have to be ready to step that one back, step the jab, boom, back again, boom. I'm going to choose the angles, yeah, go to the side, outside, inside, boom, kick. I'm supposed to use my movement, right? So I'm just going to provoke. Here we're stable, yeah? But when I'm going to start to stab his face and move, that's when he's going to follow me. Boom. And that's when I set up my kicks, all right? So trying to get that back and forth motion a bit more, guys, yeah? It's too much like this. Make sense or not? Yeah? So see, the partner comes, like especially after a kick. Like I take you there, poop, I got a nice kick here, boom. He comes to me straight away. And I have to create that space, yeah? Boom, 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 boom. And again, boom. With the cross, boom, 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 boom. And come aggressive, aggressive. Sometimes you go like this for them to move, make them back up. That's it, make them work on something real. Because in fight, they're going to come and get you like this. They're not going to come like this. Yeah, guys? They want to be a bit more aggressive. Not too much, but still. Put life into your exercise so you learn more. All right, guys? Let's go, let's go. All right, guys, so it was better after. Yeah, it was better for the last 2 minutes. So now we're going to include one more weapon, 2 more weapons. So that's going to be the teep, yeah? Another weapon I use to control my range, to control my opponent, and also to start to hurt him and impose my dominance, all right? So traditional teep, coach is going to show us, yeah? Are you good? Yeah. Okay. You can go ahead. Let's go.
Simple.
So traditional teep in Muay Thai, yeah? Let's go.
Simple.
So we're on the line.
This is the line, proverbial center line. Very simple. Inside. I don't want to come here forward, and I'm going to crowd myself. All right, get my range first, like he said, the first drill. So I touch. Look, guys, bop. Bop, that way my foot is under me. Here, I can balance all day. And then teep, back down.
Beautiful.
All right, this is the proverbial line. It's going to be harder to teep this way. I can't balance. So you want the foot under you, not forward, side. Bop, out the bucket, teep, and relax.
Swing the hand. He doesn't lean too much when he teeps, all right? Because if you lean too much, you're gonna, especially if they move back, yeah? You're gonna end up being like that and losing your balance. Yeah, so perfect. And also, did you see when he took his leg there? He actually takes it closer so that it's right under the body, and that's so important for your teep. Yeah, look at his leg. It's right under his body, and it's not at the back, because that's a bit different. So if I just take my leg there, it's a bit behind. Yeah. So my teep not going to be very strong. But if I take it right under my body here, strong pillar, boom, I got a strong teep. And that's the base of the teep, yeah? Make sure it starts with that. So we can show also the same one when you want to jump forward. If I got this one that coach just did, 1, 2, and there I can just add one more. See, I got the space here. If you stay there, coach. Yeah, same step, and then I'm going to jump forward, boom. So when I jump forward here, I do not lean back. It's like I take my body, poop, and I push it there. My leg stays under my body the whole way. Even when I'm jumping, I can do it from there. I get the space, hoop. Yeah, there I'm good. Poop. Yeah, poop. See, when I fall, I arrive there, stable. So if I miss, so you move, move more, because I'm coming with a long one. Yeah, I miss, see, I'm still strong. I can continue. If I miss and he kicks me back, I can just continue. So that's why I control my body, guys. Yeah, when you teep, you don't want to overcome it. And in anything, actually, even the jabs, the low kicks, everything we do, we don't want to overcome it. We want to come it just enough to be safe. Make sense? All right, traditional teep, up, push. And then I'm going to come with a slightly different one. I call it a stab teep. And I use it to start to hurt my opponents. Yeah, it could be from back and front. Front's a bit more difficult. From the back is very easy. I like to start to engage my foot. I'm there, I'm just going to stop. Poop. That's all I do, guys. Poop. See that? I don't lift my knees so much. My knee is already up. yeah? I just come and stab. That's it. And same for this leg. I take that one right here. It's slightly different than the other one. He takes it right on the line to lift his knee up, but I'm staying on this line here. I'm not going to move on the side at all. And I just stab right here, the lower area. All right, I can do hips. In Thailand, you can even do groin, straight in the groin. And I used to use them like this. Stab to the groin. And then you look at them in the eyes. Come on, you know. This is a mind game, but you're allowed to. They used to do it to me, so I was like, I'm going to do it as well. So here, straight. See the teep different? From here, I'm on the lift up with my leg already straight. And I'm just going to stab with the toes. Or bow. Yeah, they're very annoying. And that's how you get your partner's dominance. And then we're going to mix and match, of course. I'm here, strong. Yeah, double jab. I move, I take him to the side, I can kick here, move again, and I can start to fake also. Now we're going to fake what? The jab. Faking the jab is easy, yeah? It's the same, and I need to start also with that hesitating. That's how coaches call it. Yeah, before I kick, I can be there. That's kind of a beginning of a fake kick. Yeah, I just start to create. Fake, and then jab, pop, pop. Fake the jab, kick, boom. Fake the jab, teep, boom, 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 boom. See that whenever you get space, you can work on different teeps, yeah? So here we mix and match, and we try to score. After a teep, what would you get? What I like to do after teeps like that, when they move, I want to come to kick straight away. Don't waste time, guys. I said yesterday, it's like a prey. I'm a predator, yeah? The prey is moving, I'm in. Yeah, but I'm not in too much. See, I kicked and I'm back. I'm going to be able to retract and to take my body backwards, yeah? Create space, boom, I'm in. I'm still outside. I still got the space to defend. Yeah. And again. For use, what do you tip with? The bow?
I do.
The bow. Okay, that's great. For the stabbing one, we're going to tip with the bow, or if we can, just the toes, but under. Don't put them like this, guys. Don't put them forward like, no, you're going to break your toe, literally. So make sure that it comes like this, with this. Under, yeah? Boop. And you stab. Boop. And you stab. Boop. For the jumping one, you want to go more, you want to go for a push. So I can jump this, so if I'm there, I like to do it from the space. If I'm there, I can jump and go straight. See? Stab. And I also like to go slightly higher and get flat. See? Here I go flat and slightly higher to make sure I get a push. It's different reactions. Low, he does more like this. High, that pushes him backwards. So you can try flat, on the bow, flat, with the bow, flat, you try.
Only a snippet of the full version that's now available on the KMA online Muay Thai drills and workouts program. To get registered for 4 tiers of authentic Muay Thai, all you have to do is hit the link in the pinned comment or the description.